The 2015 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, anti-theft security system, center armrest, power door locks, CD player, side airbag, clock, security system, power windows, power brakes, tachometer, intermittent wipers, center console, daytime running lights, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.